Free proxies are dangerous thing. Oh, a dangerous thing, as they're not.
快跟 Smart Daily 打个招呼吧。
Those who use our products and give us your honest feedback.
The thing with like Sean Connery saying like martinis should be shaken, not stirred, and underpants should be shilk, not shatten.
And don't forget proxies to avoid I'm still using virtual env. Activate. And bin activate.
Okay, keep on okay.
As you can see, Smartproxy meets all the criteria for the best residential proxies.
Because I had really bad hangover. Shit, I think my eyes are smaller because of that. I need bigger eyes, Jesus.
After years of dedication, we're officially the best reviewed provider in the market.
Once you're in the script, a data.json file will be created.
And those who of you thinking, hey, hey everyone, surpassed. Hi, everyone. People are saying we're pretty good.
And yeah, thanks a lot for joining, Anton. See you next time.
Thank you, it's a pleasure.
My pleasure.
Pleasure
Thanks.
as well. My watch.
What was that?
It was my watch. What the fuck? That's crazy.
Goodbye.